Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change inbox space on Yahoo. To get started, let's open your browser on your laptop. For now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Tap on it. Here, type Yahoo.com in your search bar and then click on the first link. This will open your Yahoo web app. Here, click on the inbox icon. As soon as you're here, you can see the settings icon on the top right corner. Scroll down, and here you can see many options for inbox spacing. You can choose as you require. For now, let's click on small. As I click on small, you can see the changes. So, in this way, you can change your inbox spacing on Yahoo. That wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.